In today's challenge, we've got a table that contains sales and percentages for 3 years, all spread across 6 columns. Messy, hard to work with, but totally fixable. And today we are going to tame it using Power Query user interface only. No formulas, no code, no stress. First, we need to clean the table up and make it tidy. That means one row, one observation, month year sales, no duplicate column sets. We will also remove the percentages columns. Just select the columns and press delete or use remove columns button. Clean and simple. Now about that extra header row. It's not data, it's noise. How to do it? Go to Home, remove rows, remove top rows. Enter 1 and hit OK. And now it's starting to breathe. So what are we doing now? We are about to unpivot the year columns, turning your big horizontal mess into a slim, powerful list. Why unpivot? Because wide tables are great for printing, but awful for analysis. With tall tables, you can filter by year, create charts easily and build pivot tables in seconds. How to do it? Select the year's columns and press unpivot. Or select the months column and go to transform, unpivot other columns. If you want, you can rename the columns right here. Now you've got a year column and a sales column. The sales numbers are stacked vertically, one row per month per year. This is what we call long format, and it's a beautiful thing. What is left? Well, it's all a bit jumbled. December's handing out with March, 2022 is mixed with 2020, so let's bring some order to the chaos. How to sort? Click the drop down on the year column and choose Sort Ascending, and do the same on the months column. Now it reads like a calendar, January to December, year by year. Clean, logical, satisfying. From 6 columns and visual confusion to 3 columns and spreadsheet bliss. All using just the user interface. No M-code, no formulas, and definitely no panic. That's it for today. See ya!